Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is episode 24, and we're of course going to address the question from the end of the last video, and that was as follows: what are the colors of the rainbow, and in particular, in the proper order? All right, we'll get to that question in just a moment, but just remember we're also going to get into a fun science fact today, and this one is going to be powerful. Let's just put it that way, a little sneak preview. All right, so what are the colors of the rainbow in order? Now, I'm pretty sure most of us have seen a rainbow after a thunderstorm, or maybe we've even seen the same colors like in a reflection when light hits something and with a glass or TV or some object like that. So what is the colors of the rainbow, and in what order are they? Anybody? Anybody? All right, let me go ahead and tell you. The colors of the rainbow in order are as follows: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now, an easy way to remember the order and to remember the colors is by remembering a man's name. And that man's name is Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, Roy. G, green. Biv, B-I-V, blue, indigo, violet. This is an example of what we call an acronym. And an acronym is a helpful way in memorizing not only the orders and colors of the rainbow, but it can help us remember other large amounts of information, which is very helpful when studying for tests, studying quizzes, or just taking in large amounts of information as you're going through a particular subject matter. So just keep that in mind. It's something to wear. So here, giving you an extra little study fact and a fun bit of information there. All right, let's get to our fun science fact of the day. Well, the fun science fact of the day, like I said, is powerful. Get this. The sun's core releases energy equivalent to 100 billion, let me say that again, 100 billion nuclear bombs per second. And that energy travels thousands and thousands and millions of miles through its layers before it is emitted as heat and light to power the solar system. That's fascinating to think about. But the energy that it releases per second, get that again, I want to just say that again, is the equivalent of 100 billion nuclear bombs. That is one powerful star. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the end of the video where I'll have my question, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Take care. Goodbye.